How to create and set up a Payoneer account. Hey everybody, if you're wondering how you can do it, in this video we are going to show you. So let's just dive right into the video. For that, you can go ahead and tap on this Payoneer app, or you can also open up the website if you want. And once you do that, you should be finding this login page. So if you don't have an account, you can tap on this register option in your screen. And when you do that, here you should be finding, you need to tell them about a little about your business. So first thing about your business is if it is a own or represent a registered company, or if it is an individual running your own business. For now, I'm selecting my second option, but if you have created, registered your own company, you can tap on the first option and tap next. After that, to get started, you need to give your location to them. So go ahead and give your location. After that, tap on next, and you need to describe about your business. If you are an online seller, a small or medium-sized business, a freelancer, agency, or service provider, you can go ahead and select any of the option that you are and tap on next after that. After that, how would you like to use Payoneer? And once that is done, you can go ahead and set it up. You can click on OK, and it will redirect you to a browser. Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to fill out this form. So if your business is registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority, you can go ahead and select your business is authorized, registered or not. If it is, you can go ahead and select on yes. If it is not, select no. After that is done, you need to fill in the fields in the English characters only. So you need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your email address again. After that, your date of birth, and tap next. And make sure you are using the same name and everything that is registered in your government issued ID. After that is done, you need to tap on next, and when that is done, you need to just go ahead and complete the 4-step verification process and the sign up. Once that is done, you should be logged into Payoneer and your business should be registered. So for now, you can follow up this method if you want to register your business in Payoneer, and that is it for now. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.